The logger is in configuration mode and flashes at 1-second intervals. If this is not the case, please briefly press the button on the left-hand edge. This switches the logger into the desired configuration mode. If the logger is in sleep mode, that is, the LED is not flashing at all, the button must be pressed for longer than 3 seconds. Press the button again to switch the logger to App Config mode. The LED flashes 5 times per second over a period of 10 seconds. After selecting the wireless LAN in the smartphone or tablet, the app starts. Then select the menu item, Commissioning Loggers. Now enter the access data for the wireless LAN so they can be transmitted to all loggers. The loggers to be configured are displayed in the app and configured automatically. This function is only available for Android devices and not for iOS devices.